Hey there, Guild Hunters. In this video, I'm going to show you how to equip gems in Mistfall Hunter. Equipping gems is a huge part of becoming stronger in Mistfall Hunter, as adding gems to your build provides additional combat bonuses and utility perks that can help you survive and extract more easily. To equip a gem, simply open your warehouse by pressing Tab and hover over the piece of equipment you want to slot a gem into. After that, press left Alt on your keyboard to highlight that specific piece of gear. From here, select an empty gem slot, then choose the gem you want to equip from the ones available in your warehouse. Remember, there are 4 different gem shapes, and each gem can only be socketed into a slot with the matching shape. The exception is the universal slot, which is this circular one right here. This slot can accept any gem shape, making it especially useful when putting together your build. And that's how to equip gems in Mistfall Hunter. If this helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.